In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheet cells the same size. This is a practical skill, especially when you're striving for a clean and professional appearance in your spreadsheets. Whether you're setting up a report, organizing data, or simply tidying up a sheet for clarity, making cells uniform can enhance both aesthetics and readability. Let's dive in and break down the process into simple steps. First, head over to Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to your browser and type in Google Sheets, or you can click on the link if you have it readily available. Once there, you'll want to sign in with your Google account. Signing in will give you access to all your previous documents and allow you to create new ones. Once you've signed in, you'll see a list of spreadsheets you've previously worked on. Click on the particular spreadsheet that you want to modify. This will open up your document, displaying all the data you've entered. Now, to make your cells uniform in size, you'll want to start by selecting all the cells in your spreadsheet. You can do this quickly by clicking on the top left corner of your sheet. This small square, where the rows and columns meet, will highlight every row and column in your document, making any changes you make apply to the entire sheet. Next, to adjust the column size, move your cursor to the line between any column headers at the top of your spreadsheet. You'll see your cursor change to a double-headed arrow. Click and hold down your mouse button, then drag to the right to widen the columns or to the left to narrow them. Release the mouse button once you've achieved your desired column width. This action will adjust all the columns to the same width. Now let's adjust the row heights to make them consistent as well. Move your cursor to the line between any two row numbers on the left side of your sheet. When your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click, hold, and drag down to increase the row height or drag up to decrease it. Once you've settled on a height, release the mouse button. This will ensure all rows are uniformly sized. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet cells are now uniformly sized, both vertically and horizontally. This little bit of extra effort can make a significant difference in how your data is perceived and processed by others. You're now ready to present your spreadsheet with a more polished and professional look. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this out as often as you need across your various spreadsheets. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and as always, happy spreadsheeting!